Okay, my floor drain needs to connect to this 3-inch pipe. So I'm gonna connect my 3-inch pipe, connect my, is that a 2-inch? What's that? Okay, 3-inch, okay. I'm connecting my 3-inch. Let's go over and connect there. Okay, so that is not the correct fitting. Okay, that fitting needs to be a combination. So over here, type my pipe fittings. Let's close that out a little bit. Let's come down and look at my pipe fittings because I want to, if I choose, erase, choose here and come down, I should have a combination. A wire combination? Yes, okay. Now that's the correct fitting there. Let's do the same. I have a, now, because there's a trap here, I need a vent. I'm gonna put my vent here. Okay. Let's do the same thing with the second floor drain. Let's go up, let's look at the section. Take our time. Let's go here. Now I think that, is that on the right? Gonna need to move it out a little bit more. Let's just use our arrow key, move it. Everything good? What's going on? Why is that? What's going on here? Let's do this. Do this. Okay, I don't know what's going on with that, but let's see. Move it over. That's fine. That's good enough. Go back to our section view, and we're going to click. This guy, he wants to move around all the time. Let's go back. The reason I want to make it come out some, and I'm going to pin it. Let's pin it. Because I need room for my vent. I think I pushed the wrong button. This one. Pin, pin, pin. Now we can draw our height along with our P-trap. I'm going to put a P-trap over here. Okay. And now what we're going to need to do is align these two up. We're going to go up to our align button. And we're going to align this with that guy. And do the same. Go back. And sanitary, I'm going to move this. Let's put it right there. Just because, so it's not in the way. And we're going to use our extend, trim extend, here, here. Okay. And that defaults to the Sanitary Tee because in the routing preferences over here, let's zoom this, make this come out a little bit, is because of this guy, this junction. Okay. And you want to use this on the vertical, but on the horizontal, you want to use combination. This one, you want to use a combination. So I don't put use a set because sometimes it's gonna be sanitary, sometimes it's gonna be a wire combination. So it don't matter to me. I'm just gonna use it like that, okay? So now we got those two, it's all connected. And the thing that we have to do now is create a vent system, okay? Once we create a vent system, we can, that's cold water. Cold water, here's cold water. Let's annotate the cold water, tag by category, and we can come down, just put a little loop on here, tag by category. Where is it? It's not showing up. tag by category. So 1 inch diameter. I'm going to put it here. Free in. Okay. Come over. There. Okay. And that's that. And you want a low one now? Nope. Okay. So I have that. So 1 inch is not changing. So it's a 1 inch all the way through. When you look at these drawings, and it's a 1 inch downstream, okay, that means that it's a 1 inch all the way through. Only time you would make another change is if this is a 1/2 inch. It's probably, you're probably going to be 3/8 going to this guy, or 1 inch. So I'll just keep it 1 inch. Okay, we have all of that. I know that these tags can look a little bit better. I can probably put that like that, but you see, now I'm going to run into a problem with angles and stuff. So I'll just do it like that. That looks better. Got that. Okay. So the vent system for these is going to be a coordination issue. Okay. Because it's not easy. From here, we got to somehow get the vent system up through the building and out through the roof. It's not easy. Where do you start? All right. Hot water. Okay. Okay. You got hot water, cold water, and the rest is vent. How do you get the vent up? What's the first thing you need to do? That is going to be the next video session, I would say. Okay. So I'm going to leave it here. And next time, we're going to look at a vent system.